Hello guys, and now we proceed to the discussion about the ignition system. First step is, or first process in the ignition system is the when the ignition switch is turned on, current flows from the battery to the ignition coil. And then the next step for the ignition system is the current flows the primary winding of the ignition coil where one end is connected to the contact breaker. And next is cam, which is connected directly to the camshaft, open and closes the contact breaker points according to the number of engine cylinders. And the next step fourth step for the ignition system is the condenser absorbs the back EMF and from the magnetic field, thereby increasing the life of contact points by reducing burning of the points. And the fifth step is when the cam lobe pushes CB switch, the contact breaker points opens, which causes the current from primary circuit to break. And next step is this is the secondary winding and the primary winding. Due to break in current, an EMF is induced in the secondary winding having more number of turns than primary, which increases the battery's 12 volts to 22,000 volts. And the next step is the high voltage produced by the secondary winding is then transferred to the distributor. And then a rotor inside the distributor rotates according to the ignition timing. And the next step is when the rotor comes exactly in front of the distributor point, the voltage jumps due to the air gap from the rotor to the point. And the high voltage is then transferred from the distributor to the spark plug terminal via a high tension cable. A voltage difference is generated between the central electrode and ground electrode, and the voltage continues to transfer through the central electrode, which is sealed using insulator. And when the voltage exceeds the electric strength of the gases between these electrodes, the gases are ionized due to ionization. Gas becomes a conductor and allows the current to flow through the gap, and spark is primarily is the gap and spark is finally produced. And that's all. Thank you.